Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm a glass artist living and working here in North Austin. Welcome to my studio. I'm excited to show my studio for the first time in the Austin Studio Tour this year. I'll be here along with the painter and illustrator Eileen McKeon-Butt and calligrapher Kevin Luo. This is my garage studio where I create all my kiln-formed glass art. This is a sheet of colored glass. There's no glass art without cutting glass. Something you probably didn't know about kiln-formed glass is that you actually use powders. I use them a lot to give transparent glass vibrant colors. So the exciting part for me at least is when it comes to the end of the production and you form your piece of glass. You either slump it into a ceramic form or put it on top of a stainless steel form. Heat it up, wait until it gets soft enough and drips down like a piece of cloth. Kevin, Eileen, and I will be here for the first and second weekends of November from 12 to 6 p.m. We'll have lots of fun things planned for you, including musical artists, fun demos, some activities, and what else we come up with. Bye! See you soon!